Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Spotify Premium versus Spotify Free. We'll dive into the essential distinctions between these two popular listening options. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the best experience for your music enjoyment. We'll explore how each tier impacts your daily listening habits, from ad interruptions to the freedom of offline access, helping you make an informed decision about your audio journey. With Spotify Free, you'll encounter advertisements that punctuate your listening experience, typically every few songs. On mobile, you're limited to just 6 skips per hour, which can be frustrating when you want to quickly find the right track. Crucially, offline listening is unavailable, meaning you need an internet connection to stream. Plus, the audio quality is capped at 160 kilobits per second, a noticeable difference for discerning ears. Upgrading to Spotify Premium unlocks a world of uninterrupted listening, completely free from ads. You gain the invaluable ability to download your favorite songs and podcasts, ensuring your music is always available, even without an internet connection. Premium also grants you unlimited skips and the freedom to play any song on demand. Plus, you'll enjoy superior audio quality, reaching up to 320 kilobits per second. Deciding if premium is worth it often comes down to your personal listening habits and budget. While the free tier offers access to a vast library, premium elevates your experience with no ads, offline downloads, and superior sound. Individual plans are typically around $10 per month, but family plans can offer significant savings for up to 6 accounts. Student discounts also provide a 50% reduction, making premium more accessible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.